Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Bhavna. I make content related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and just overall a girl being a girl. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing. This is a very special video for me, especially because it's a life update video and it's been years I've wanted to shoot this video, and you can see by the excitement, the smile over my face. So it's a life update. It's the second chapter of my life, which has started, as you can see by my background, which has changed. Okay, so the thing is, I moved to New York. Yes, guys, you heard it right. I basically moved to New York, America, for. Okay, I won't keep any suspense. Okay, I will tell you right away. So I moved to New York for my masters, which I am going to do in marketing. Yes, I switched my field. I completed my bachelor's this year only, and in psychology. And in that meantime, during content creation and side by side, I was into actively involved into marketing and marketing agencies. So I had my interest of marketing and branding, and I love to talk, bro. So marketing was my field. Marketing, branding, sales, this was what I was craving for. So something which these few points made me forced me to move to New York directly after my bachelor's. So yes, I am going to be New York for my masters. Afterwards, I don't know, I'm not committing. I would stay over here, I won't. That we will see later on. For that, you need to subscribe, okay? So that was for the update, okay? Now a lot of conversation is going to happen, but for that conversation, I am going to get ready along because I live in USA. Here, you cannot order it from Zomato, Blinkit. You need to go outside to buy your basic stuff, which is adulting stuff like onions, potatoes, and but it's fine. We are okay. We are not complaining. So let's get ready along. So sunscreen is something which I have, like, it's my thing now, because otherwise you just see this thing, sunburn would get your best friend if you don't make this your best friend, bro. Sunscreen is very important over here. I used to hear people like in India, I still used to apply it, but I was like on and off, on and off. But here, the part of the body which is exposed to sun is na, forget it if it doesn't have your sunscreen, because sun here is super duper harsh. That's the main reason for this sunburn. And my brother actually came along, which you will see in my travel vlog, which is after this, from India to New York. So he got such a bad sunburn. His skin was not pink, his skin turned purple. And that was the point. I was like, no, 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 this is not going to work over here. And that's why sunscreen is one thing I just swear by. Just let's give it 2 minutes so to settle in. Till the time it properly settles in, I would do my eyebrows. But I need to tell you, this sunscreen, which is Beauty of Joseon, this is the sunscreen which I applied, is very, very good, by the way. Okay, let's do our eyebrows till then. But guys, moving here has made me realize a lot of things. Okay, you dream things, you have that vision, oh, I want to achieve this something. This was also in my list. There is a story behind it, it's very special to me. I wanted to move abroad since 8th class, almost like 14 years old. But even after 12th, I gave IELTS. I was actually going to Canada, but things changed due to some good reasons. Okay, so I wasn't able to go to Canada. I did had an offer letter, but destiny played its game, universe played its game. So that's why, and here I am. Because see, this is what thing I tell to everyone out there: believe in universe, believe in God, believe in the aligned power, because they know what is good for you, which is best for you at the best time. Believe me on this thing. If an 18-year Bhavna would have came over here, she won't manage, she won't survive. That I know, that exactly I know. Because the life on camera, is completely different in reality. Believe me, this thing, life is completely opposite. What you see, few things are good, few things are bad, but it's different, bro. It's different. It's not same what we imagined it, what we see. But that's why I came over here, and everything has been aligning by God grace, by universe, that I am able to like live my dream, which I have always like thought of to living. And it's so beautiful when I go to this waterfront, which I think I would add some clip after this at the end of this video. You should definitely watch it. So it still feels so dreamy. Like I cannot believe I'm living into my place, and that to New York, sweetheart. New York, that's amazing. So now my eyebrows are set. I'm going to just very lightly take this NARS Spot Concealer. It's in the shade Ginger Medium 2. It's a dark concealer for me, but it looks very natural. So I'm just going to hide my few just dark circles. That's it. I'm doing a very basic makeup, like just the basic things. If someone is watching this video now, by the way, guys, I just want to tell one thing to everyone. If you feel like why this is not happening, why it's just me, why it is taking time, this was my dream, what is God doing with me, he's not on my side, believe him. Believe him when I say him. What is written in your destiny, what is written in your karmas, what is written in your life, you will get it by God grace, and He will make things very easy for you. You do not need to do like just run. Yeah, you do need to do hard work to prove God that yes, I am deserving of this thing. I do deserve this thing. I am capable of this thing. I would respect this thing, but believe. Believe me when I say something magical and best is written for you in your life, which you have even not seen. I have never. So, till last Feb, I have never imagined I would be moving to New York. And see, I am here, bro. I never imagined everything. The biggest risk I have ever taken in this economy, in this situation, still I am here by God grace, because He wanted me over here. And the moment I started this journey, because it was a completely long year journey, there were challenges. It wasn't the most smoothest journey I have ever experienced, but things happened. I met people, resources came to me which made my process so easy. And one thing I started believing in this whole journey, and the moment I landed in US, was that he cannot come himself on this planet, but he will send people to you in his form. So basically, God cannot enter physically, but He will come in any form, like either through a person. So just keep doing your hard work, believe in your dreams, everything is going to work out. Believe me on this thing. Okay, concealing is done. Now I'm going to use this ELF Perfect Finish HD powder to just literally set all this concealer. It's a white setting powder. That's it. Making it very natural, so that's why I am using this. I'm just buffing it out over my hand. But you guys tell me what content you would like to see over this channel now, as I'm in New York, baby. So I, although did like sort of recorded the travel vlog from India to New York. I did recorded that, which I need to edit, by the way. And I'm not going to post on a regular basis, because regular basis in the sense that exact time frame. I will give some time difference to things, because life is a bit more hectic over here, because everything you need to do on your own. That's why. So I'm just figuring out a lot of things, but I genuinely want you guys to tell me what things are you guys interested in seeing. New York vlogs, New York, because I haven't explored a lot till date. Although it's been 12 days, I landed in New York. I just went to Times Square. That's it, because my hotel was over there initially. Now, right now, I'm in my apartment. Do you want a house tour, or do you want sort of different stores vlog, like going to Target, showing you different stuff? Whatever you want, just comment down. I will try my best to make those videos. and to regular post on my channel like at least 2 videos a week, which I will try my best. Okay, just now I'm using the She Glam blush, which is in the shade Love Cake. Also, just one more suggestion from you guys. Do you want to see makeup in form of a vlog? Like for example, right now I'm doing my makeup along with talking to you guys. Do you want something, just some content like this, or do you want like I should in my do vlogging also and shoot the makeup look also, whatever products I'm using, something like that? Like tell me howsoever you want my videos to be, because I make videos for you guys. So howsoever you would like, I would love your suggestions. But I moved to, basically my college is in New York. Which college? It's Fordham University. Yeah, it's Fordham University. That's my college. And my program is Masters in Marketing, as I told you earlier. Also, I would do share the classroom experience over here, whichever I am going to like experience. By the way, I'm using this mascara. It's from L'Oreal. It's the Panorama mascara. So yeah, and it's a almost 1.5 year course. That's why it's a bit long course. And the place I'm staying, it's not New York. My apartment is not basically New York, New York. It's near New York. It's in an area which is in Jersey City, near waterfront, Exchange Place, Newport Place. That's the area. It's a very wonderful neighborhood, by the way, guys. You see the New York skyline from like my apartment. Sort of not my apartment. You can just see water from my apartment. But when we are in other videos later on, when I'm going to show you the neighborhood around me, then I would show you definitely how is the waterfront. It's so beautiful, guys. Definitely I'm going to add one clip, as I mentioned earlier. So my basically makeup is done. That's just basic hair. Now I'm just going to apply my lipstick. It's from Revlon, and the shade is 003 Pick Me Up. It's a very nice neutral shade. But whatever content you are willing to see, just comment me down below. If you have any question, you can just comment me, and I will try my best to shoot and to show you guys as much as possible. But please request karti hu, please, I just request to each one out there, do subscribe my channel on the notification button, and I will definitely shoot whatever you guys would suggest me, because here it's different. I genuinely want to show you guys things which we apparently don't get to see on different videos. Like people do shoot New York, they coming, but things I have seen, like gee, they should also see this thing also, the prices and something like that, because back in the I was also curious that also. And do you want a house tour video? By the way, I'm using this L'Oreal plumping ambitious hyaluronic lip oil in the shade 601. Worth it. Okay, I am done, just the setting sprays left, which I'm doing to do in just a second. But I'm so excited for this journey. Please make prayers, dua for me that everything goes smooth. I am able to achieve the dream which I came to New York. And it's not easy, it's not impossible also, but you just need to have believe in yourself. Everything is going to get okay, it's going to get through. Like just we are going to set our makeup up. That's it. That's it, guys, it's done. That's it for the video, guys. That's the look, that's the basic look which we did. It's the most basic thing you can ever do. You can also see this tutorial, by the way. And that's it for the life wave update video, guys. After this clip, I'm going to add the Newport clip, which I'm going to show you the New York skyline. But I hope I would meet you soon in my next video, which is going to be my travel vlog. Then I'm going to start posting a lot of New York content, whatever you guys would suggest me. Till then, bye bye, take care everyone, and I just love you guys a lot, and thank you for supporting me. Bye.